the Caterpillar 657E.
The line has been around almost as long as all trucks and bulldozers. They're like the elder statesmen in our top 10 list.
657 is the biggest scraper around at the moment. And compared with previous scrapers, it's just that much more reliable because it's got new engines, it's got new control technologies.
This is a rather nice, clever, very useful machine.
It's like power personified because it's right there. You can reach out and touch it.
The secret behind the power of this particular scraper? 2 engines, one in the front, one in the back, simultaneously pulling and pushing the machine, a combined total of almost 1,000 horsepower.
It's a bit like a piece of toast and butter, you know. Put a bit too much butter on, so you scrape it off. In other words, it's the scraping motion. It's taking a scraping of the earth off, transporting it, and putting it down as a layer somewhere else.
This machine doesn't just scrape, it's much more versatile. It also digs, loads, carries and dumps huge amounts of earth without the assistance of any other machines.
Scraper's very, very efficient machine for moving dirt over a short distance. Now, if you're building a road, building a dam or something like that, you want to move dirt from here to there. Scraper's going to do it, and it's going to do it very efficiently.
The world's most powerful scraper may be about pure brute force, but the secret of its digging power resides in its reinforced steel blade, or cutting edge. This cutting edge can last anywhere from 400 to 500 working hours before it has to be replaced.
The cutting edge is the bottom part of the bowl. It's the part that actually goes into the ground. When the bowl is lowered into the ground, the cutting edge is the leading edge of the scraper that goes into the material and forces the material up into the bowl. The blade is about 2.5 inches thick. This doesn't have to be sharp. The sheer force of the machine will load the machine with no problem at all.
When digging conditions are too difficult for a single scraper, the 657E buddies up with another machine in what is known as a push-pull operation. The scrapers simply hook bales and, believe it or not, one pushes while the other pulls.
You come to the job in the morning, you come back in the afternoon, and the landscape has totally changed. It's absolutely fun.